Unlocking everyday English. Let's call it a day. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a popular English phrase that you've likely heard or will hear if you're navigating English-speaking environments. Let's call it a day. This phrase is a gem in everyday English conversations, and understanding it can not only boost your language skills but also help you connect more naturally with native speakers. So, let's get started and unravel the meaning and use of this interesting expression. Let's call it a day is an idiomatic expression used to suggest that it's time to stop working on something, either because enough progress has been made for the day or due to tiredness. It's a way to say that it's time to take a break or end activities for the day, without specifying any particular time. This phrase can be used in various contexts, such as at work, during a group study session, or even when you're working on a personal project at home. While the exact origins of "let's call it a day" are a bit murky, it is believed to have emerged from workplace environments. The idea behind it is linked to the setting of a specific time when work would cease, and everyone involved could go home or rest. Over time, this phrase has transcended its initial workplace setting and is now used in various scenarios to indicate the end of any activity. Using "let's call it a day" is quite straightforward. It's commonly used at the end of a work session or activity to suggest stopping work. Here are a few examples to help you understand its usage. After a long meeting, a team leader might say, "We've covered a lot today. Let's call it a day and reconvene tomorrow." While studying with friends, if everyone is getting tired, you might suggest, "We've been at this for hours. Let's call it a day." Working on a personal project late into the night, you might decide, "I've done enough for today. Let's call it a day." Interestingly, there are variations of this phrase that carry a similar meaning. "Let's call it quits" is one such variation, though it can sometimes imply a more permanent end to an activity rather than just ending for the day. It's important to understand the context in which these variations are used to convey the intended meaning accurately. Understanding phrases like, "let's call it a day," can significantly enhance your ability to communicate effectively in English. It's a phrase that encapsulates the idea of ending something on a positive note, acknowledging the effort put in, and recognizing the need for rest. We hope this video has illuminated this common but powerful phrase for you. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to use it when the moment is right. Happy learning, and until next time, let's call it a day.